the metal isn't, if you don't let it get hot enough, the weld will start off kind of narrow, and then they'll spread out. So it's a good rule of thumb to make sure the metal is getting hot, or find your proper speed. Now I will say this is a process you can learn from home. So if you have a welder or something you can use to get it started, you can actually practice this at home. So I would say that TIGging is a needed process in the industry, especially for alloy materials and thinner materials. But if you're trying to